Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and welcome to my monthly online workshop. So the way that this works is that the online workshop is absolutely free for you to follow along, to watch, to take the ideas and make them your own. But if you want to order from me this month, then you're going to get some extras as a result. So if you place any size order with me, doesn't matter how much it is, you will get a thank you card from me through the post. If your order goes over £30, then I'm also going to email you the July Ideas Tutorial bundle. Now, this is an emailed PDF that has got a whole bunch of different tutorials within it from demonstrators around the globe. I'm part of this ideas group, and there's demonstrators there from various countries all around, and so it's great for having a whole range of ideas. If your order goes over £50, then you're going to get the thank you card. You're going to get the Ideas Tutorial bundle mailed to you, emailed to you, should I say. And if it's over 50, you're also going to get this make and take pack. Patterns may vary slightly, but you'll get a make and take pack with these elements in, and you will get that mailed to you. If your order goes over £70, then in addition to the thank you card, the tutorial bundle, this make and take pack, you will also get a mixed pack of 24 sheets of DSP. It's retired DSP, but it includes some specialty DSP, some specialty card, so it's a really nice mixed bundle to be able to use for your projects. And to get these things, you need to place your order with me using the host code, and that's given in the description below. And there's a link there for being able to do it. If you place your order with me by 10 PM on Sunday evening, the 9th of July, then you'll qualify for those bonuses. If it's after that, you will still get a thank you card from me, and you may get a little bonus extra. But these sort of make and take pack, etc., are just available for the duration of this sort of online workshop. And I just wanted to also just let you know, we have got an offer this month, but it doesn't start until the 6th of July. It's running from the 6th to the 31st of July, and we've got our bonus days promotion, which if you spend £45, you get a £4.50 coupon to spend next month. And there's no limit to that, so if you spend £90, you'll get two £4.50 coupons. So that's part of what we've got going on. And also on the 6th of July, we've got a new set of online exclusives that are coming. Now, I've only seen some of these that were available to us on pre-order, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what else we may have got. So you might want to hang on till the 6th of July, only a couple more days before placing your order, so that A, you can qualify for the coupon, and B, you can check out what the new online exclusives are. And certainly some of those online exclusives, a large proportion of them, are actually Christmas and winter related. So you can get a head start on your Christmas crafting, like I say, from 6th of July. So, like I say, these are some of the projects we're going to be making. We're focusing tonight on textured embossing folders, and we're going to use the textured embossing folders to make a masculine card and to make a more feminine card. So that's two of the projects using embossing folders. And then the other two projects are using one of my absolutely favourite bundles, the Crafting With You bundle, and this bundle has got so much in, you will see, but we're going to use it to make a paper trimmer card and an embroidery hoop card, and they're just so fun, really are lovely. So let's get started.